There's a geocache right over there. Let's go find it. Good thing I'm wearing a sports shirt. Let's go. Gotta find it. Bam! Hey everybody, it is Joshua, the geocaching vlogger, and I am here every month. We have this time. We have this special time together where we open up dun 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 the Cache Crate. If you don't know what the Cache Crate is, it is a monthly subscription box. Lisa from Cache Advance, she lives in Washington. She packs up geocaching goodness, geocaching goodies, supplies, trackables, all kinds of fun stuff. She packs them up because she knows what geocachers love, and I open them up for you on camera so you can see what it is like. This is the August 2021 Cache Crate. Let's open it, shall we? The good news is last month, Lisa gave me this little X-Acto knife Cache Crate tool. So now I never have to look for a knife as I open it up. So here we go. Ooh, that was clean. That was a clean cut. All right, you get to see it right now. You get to see it before I do. Look at that. What's inside will get you outside. It already did. Ooh, look at the presentation. Look at that tissue paper. Very nice. Lisa always does a great job with the presentation. I see some red things. Okay, first thing, I don't have this. Oh my gosh, look. Yes, it's a Cache Crate buff. It's a Cache Crate buff for like my neck or my head on a hot day. You guys, I could straight up go on Survivor with this. I could have my own like geocaching team on Survivor with my Cache Crate buff. It gives me several creative ways to wear the buff. I should try a few right now, don't you think? First of all, it's so soft. It's not a hot day today, so I'm not that sweaty, but let's give it a try. I could do the pirate, I could do the mask. Oh, it could be a mask too. Wristband, headband, hairband, hood. I don't know if you knew this, but buffs, they have like holes in them. So the headband is gonna be pretty darn easy. See if I can keep the logo on the front. There it is. There it is. Oh, I can do like some straight up like karate with this. Some Cache Crate karate. Cobra Kai. I've got the Cache Crate for several years and I've never got a buff. And look at it, covers up my gigantic forehead. Yeah! Hairband's similar to the headband. Twist the top. There, now it's a cap. Never had one of these before from the Cache Crate. Well done! Reaching in, yes. Oh, no, never had this one before. It's the geocaching can koozie, and it actually looks like the logo here is like the Budweiser logo. Geocaching, tasty adventure. That was tasty. We've got a hiking journal. Life is adventure, not a destination. Write it down, treasure your memory forever. I have one similar to this that's a geocaching journal like this, but this is just straight up a hiking journal. And it has the location, the date, the weather, who you hiked with, the trail, the distance, the sightings. I have used these before for letterboxes. So when I find a letterbox, I sometimes stamp here and I've used it for that. So hiking journal, creative, fun, treasure those memories, people. Oh, I've never gotten this from the Cache Crate before. It's a geocaching temporary tattoo. You guys, I have done a video where I've gotten a real tattoo at a place where there's a geocache in the tattoo parlor. You wanna see it? See, it's right there. It says just try it on it. But now, right below it, I can put a geocaching tattoo. I can totally see myself putting this on for like a geocaching event to celebrate. Put it just on my arm. You guys always know in the Cache Crate, I always get the add-on trackable. And this month, the trackable is a beautiful little hummingbird. Ooh, 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 that tickles, you little hummingbird. I will have to send this out into the wild or give it as a gift. One of the cool things about the Cache Crate is that you can always re-gift this stuff to other geocachers and really make them smile, or you can give it away at events. Oh, there's another thing. The #1 rule of geocaching is to bring a writing utensil to sign the logbook, and there is one in here. It is Crayola, it is green, and it's just a little green pencil. One of the reasons I love this crate so much is that we got a lot of new things that I've never gotten before. And I've subscribed to the Cache Crate for many, many years, and this was all pretty new stuff. So that's really cool. Lisa, you do a great job thinking of new things that geocachers would love. If you're interested in the Cache Crate, go to cachecrate.com, and if it's open, you can be a subscriber. You can be a Cache Crate crew member. And if you're a new subscriber, you can use the promo code GEO15, and that will give you 15% off your first payment. So you can save even more if you subscribe for 6 months or the year. So not only am I going to unbox the Cache Crate, but I'm going to also unbag the Geocaching Tees. Geocaching Tees is a geocaching t-shirt subscription. Every month Lisa sends me a new t-shirt that has to do with geocaching, and I open it up for you here so you can see what it's like. Ooh, it opened up nicely. All right, you're gonna get to see it before anybody else. Oh, of course, it's very soft. Softer than normal. Interesting. Okay, you're gonna get to see the color before me. What color is it, guys? We got a deep dark purple, but it's a different kind of shirt. It's like one of those sports shirts. Oh yeah. It's a sports shirt. Cool and dry. It's completely polyester. There it is, and you get to see, what does it say? I use multi-million-dollar satellites to find Tupperware in the woods. What's your hobby? The classic geocaching statement. I use multi-million-dollar satellites to find Tupperware in the woods. All right, friends, let's put it on. Let's give it a try. This is perfect for a hot, sweaty day. I've actually found geocaches while I was running a marathon. This would have been perfect for that, because this is the type of shirt you wear when you work out. Let's put it on right now through the magic of YouTube. Ready? 1, 2, 3, boom! There it is. Oh yeah, soft, athletic wear, I feel like I could sprint. I could feel like I could go sprint for a geocache. I wanna show you the shirt in action. I can sweat in this thing and it'll just wick right off of me. I just realized I'm wearing Birkenstocks. Didn't make it to the geocache. Maybe, hey Lisa, maybe next month in the Cache Crate you can put some geocaching like shoes in or something. Won't you be my neighbor? All right, if you're interested in a geocaching tee, and this month it was very different, go to geocachingtees.com and you can subscribe there, and you too can get a geocaching t-shirt sent to your door every single month. All right, friends, I've been trampling out in the hot woods with my athletic geocaching tee. That's okay, I'm sweating so much. Not really, but if I was sweating so much, it would be okay, because this would just wick off me as I find creative and cute and adorable geocaches. Look at there. Hi, little butterfly. I'm just gonna pick your little stump up because I found what you were hiding. Geocache located.